Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your name on Coursera certificate. Sometimes when you complete a course on Coursera, the name that appears on the certificate might not be exactly the one you want. Maybe you used a nickname when creating your account, or maybe there's a spelling mistake, or maybe you simply want your full name to appear on your certificates. The good news is that Coursera allows you to update your name easily from your account settings. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps you need to follow so you can change your name and make sure your certificates show the correct information. So let's get started and take a look at how you can do it. First thing we want to do is visit the website Coursera and click the first link that appears. Then go to the right side of the screen and click the Account button, and an option appears, and we will go down and click Setting among the options, which will take us to a new screen. Then we will make sure we are at the Account section. Then we will scroll down and click the option that says Verify My Name, which takes us to a new screen where it says Verify Your Name. Then we will fill out our new name and check the box that says you acknowledge everything. After that, scroll down and click Submit. And that's a quick summary of how to change your name on your Coursera certificate. Remember, it only takes a few minutes, and doing this ensures all your certificates look professional and accurate. Once you've updated your name, any new certificates will automatically reflect the change, so you don't have to worry about errors in the future. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.